me again, and kaka-upload ko lang ng year level 1 vlog ko. Last year level 1 na vlog. And then, vlog ulit ako for year level 2. So, this is my first vlog, and ang gagawin natin for today is mag-aayos tayo ng nursing paraphernalia corner. This is the rack that we'll be using to put my nursing paraphernalia in.
Should be moderating today's panel from the Harvard Crimson, Daily Princetonian, and the Yale Daily News. All using pressure and divulge their sources. To divulge unnamed sources, but I stood my ground.
Sources, I also think it unwise for us to presume we created her.
Yeah, I just low-kicked my way through.
It's too late.
It's not. Look, I know I was an idiot. If I could turn back time, I would. Oh, hey, we're buds, you know? And that kid over there is about to down a whole cup of...
He's gonna do it.
Warming up alien?
Maybe, if you can get laid.
Sa likod siya, guys. Hi guys, so this is the week before prelims. Nag-vlog ako kasi gusto ko mag-vlog kapag busy, di ba? Hi guys! Figures, meron na ba ako? Meron na ba ako? Wala. Okay.
Akin, sobra na, no?
Hindi naman talamsik niya, guys.
Sobra. Sobra pa sa sobra.
Hi guys! So ngayon, nagipin kami ni Alicia. Lang kahit na wake up, nag-sunscreen lang ako. So today, tatlo yung quiz namin. Tapos 4 na lesson yun. Tapos mahaba. Yun ang mahaba. Pero konti siya. Pero syempre, kapag kagabi pa lang inaral, syempre mahihirapan ka. Tapos, yung isang quiz, nakalimutan kong aralin. Eh, di mamaya na mag-aaral. Buti na lang hapon pa yun. Kalimutan ko talaga siya na may quiz pa kaming isa. Morning,
Naglalakad ako, guys. Alam niyo kung bakit na-flat yung kotse ko talaga. Grabe talaga. Tapos, 7:30 na. Kakainis. Hi!
Dito kami nag-lunch.
Hoy.
Hindi ko lang na-realize. Guess what is the joke? Jack Daniel.
Tulad ng pahirap.
Ayoko niyan. Na ano yung... Ako? So, duty day namin today. And nakahandle ako ng pesa. Siyempre, di kayo kwento kasi privacy. Pero, ayun, duty day namin today, hindi na ako naka-film. Kasi bawal talaga. Tapos nakakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Kasi ang hectic talaga. Tapos nag-dry run kami sa school. Tapos tomorrow mag-health teaching kami. Morning guys! So last day na namin ng aming community duty. Dami namin gagawin ngayon. Kaya hindi ko pa siya nami-miss. May evals din kami. Pero last day na lang. I'm so sad! Sarap! Pauwi na kami guys. Okay, bye. Oh. So today is my first clinical duty. And ang laki ng bag ko guys. Boosh. See those? Oh my gosh, I don't know where to go. Where's my bag? Starving. Here's the head guys. Kasi diba may yes? Diba 750? Nasa na to? Ay, pangit. Yan.
The nurse's cabin can symbolize healing and Mark Jackson. Federova Hannah Francesca. Fonte Kirsten Janelle, Franco Athena, Gracio Yuriana Ashley, Hamili Christine Kiana, Mateo Mary Athena Rita, Miliares Michelle Allison, Pahe Cristel Faye, Purificacion Jaden Matthew.
By serving them without discrimination.
Wherever you go, your De La Salle family will always be with you. Animo La Salle.
Morning guys! So, we're gonna rotate in pedia today. Bumili nga ako ng pang baby na pulse oximeter. Gonna rotate in pedia today for 3 days. 4:45 ang contact. Currently 4:20. So, I think I need to go to sleep. Look at my fit. Oh my god. Stockings. And then I have a super large bag. And my box. Morning. This is my big bag. Because I need them books. Hi guys! So, good afternoon. First, 2 to 10 duty ko today. Tapos, DR pa ako. And, pero pa ang pagdi-DR namin is private. So, I don't know if magkaka-face kami ng delivery room. But, it's November. So, sana madaming ginawa ng Feb. Hi guys. Wala yung CI namin. Pero lahat kami nandito. Okay, look at this one. Hi guys, ako lang nasa banyo yan. Second to the last day of DR duty. Nag-review ako for pharma. Hi guys. Diba? It's currently 12 already. Pero nag-aaral ako since hindi ako nag-aral kanina for OSEC. Diba sobrang bilis? Finals na. Wala pa akong na-upload na vlog. It's break! So, pupunta tayo sa bahay ni Ella para mag-Christmas party! Pajama party, guys. Don't judge.